Oh, is the camera recording? Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So this is your boy Dashaun Atkinson is back. Your boy is back. I'm gonna say this is like I say this is a no joke, no upset though type of stuff, but if you're watching this, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll update y'all for the next clip. So I'm gonna do an announcement on how to like start a YouTube channel in a easy way. But I wish I would have known how to start a channel. But I'm trying to think, what should I make this vlog about? What should I make this vlog about, honestly? So my channel, I usually hit 1,000, 10,000, 20 subscribers. $10,120 subscribers. See? Is your camera blurry? It's really, really blurry. Camera is blurry. It's really, really blurry. Make sure you watch it to the end. See? I know this is so blurry right now. Hold on. Hold on. My camera is blurry though. It's blurry. $10,000. 116 followers. What am I saying? I'm trying to say is, how do you want to like? So I was watching like this video on YouTube on like how to do good, how to get started and stuff. But I know this sounds like challenging, and this is hard work, and this is not easy work, but it's really challenging, honestly. It's just gotta staying consistent. See.
Your digital footprint.
I'm looking at other videos like how do you get views, how to get likes, how to get comments, how you get new followers. And it's just not about like it's just not about being smart. It's just about it's not about being smart. It's about you showing effort to your work. Like, say this, if you want to make a video about let's say this. Say if I want to do this video about me, like, let's just say this. Let's say, how do you start a vlog? Like, this is what you do. So before you want to like start a channel, make sure you start off with a phone. Make sure you use your phone before you get all the equipment, because you know all the equipment is expensive. So especially I got like a LED light from my vlog, you see. This is how you start the vlog. But this is like, I know this is like not easy, but it's challenging. I want to challenge you guys how to be good at vlogging, how to be good at being a YouTuber, how to be good at editing, how to be good at getting views, how to be good at using titles, thumbnails, or what your audiences see. If you really keep doing that, it being consistent, that's how you get new viewers, new followers, and get your old subscribers back. New easy method. Like, watch this. Hello vlog, this is me, Dashaun Atkinson. I am starting a new video today. I just got up in the morning. I'm about to get ready for work. I want to do a day in a life vlog, or a get it ready with me vlog. Something like that. I don't even know. But before we get started, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. If you do that, I will give you a shout out for the next video. But make sure you stay tuned, stay blessed, stay positive, and stay motivated. And remember, stay consistent. Consistently means hard work. And hard work will pay off eventually. But it's going to take a lot of time though. It takes a lot of work. But just keep being you, because you'll get there one day. But you never know. Just got to be yourself. It's not easy though, it's hard. Just looking through my dashboard. Look at my YouTube all over the dashboard. Oh. These are my young photos of me. This is me when I was in second grade. 2008 to 2009, 2016 to 2017. Look at me. I'm balling. I've been balling for a long time. Put all this consistency work, you see me, I'm putting all my hard work in and not giving up. This is easy. This is easy, everyone. I want to give y'all this challenge, how to start a vlog. That should not be hard. Like, that's not even hard to start a vlog. That's easy. Vlogs are classics. Or I'm gonna look up how to start. What are some classic YouTube videos to make? I'm gonna look that up right now. What are some classic YouTube videos? Where is it? YouTube. Classic YouTube videos. Alright. Charlie Bit My Finger. Evolution of Dance. Keyboard Chat. Leave Britney Alone. Shoes. David After Dennis. Numa. Potter Puppet Pals. Charlie the Unicorn. Chocolate Rain. Here It Goes Again. Sneezing Panda. Don't Tase Me Again. Dramatic Chickmuck. Bed Intruder Song. Crazy Frog. Friday. Great Lady Falling. I might say, man. I might say, this is really challenging, everyone. You just gotta be yourself. Cause, you know, how I have like 100, like 10,000, 120 subscribers before. And guess what? It pushed back to 116. Which is, I feel desperate. I'm disappointed with myself. But hey, I didn't even know. I didn't know what I'm doing. I just have to pay attention to what I do to make videos, or like watch other YouTube videos, how to get views, how to gain followers, how to gain subscribers. That's easy. You start it with your phone. If you can't even think of a specific video, just watch any other videos in the world, or start off a vlog. That's easy. Easy method, guys. You get what I mean? But if you are watching this, be sure to like drop a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, turn on the post notifications. I will update you in the next video. Make sure you stay tuned, stay blessed, stay positive. And also, I want to wish my friend Cherry Crest a happy birthday. If you're watching this, buddy, I want to wish you a happy birthday. I really miss you. You're one of my best friends since middle school and high school in Max Frampton. I want to wish you a happy birthday as well. I'm going to give you guys a shout out too on my 2 best friends. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned, stay blessed, stay positive. I love you all. But I wish y'all luck. But be consistent and be you. Stay tuned.